Hey guys, this is Manjeet here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and also I wanted to do a small giveaway. So many of you guys have subscribed to my channel, so thank you guys for doing that. I have reached 450 subscribers. I never expected this, so I really am happy. I just can't show you how happy I am. But basically today what I want to do is I want to do a small giveaway. So I have the Oneplus 6 over here. The Oneplus 6 is 8 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage over here. So this is kind of cool. I didn't get the 256 for some strange reason, and I didn't want to unbox it for my own channel gain because I want the winner to experience the brand new OnePlus 6. So before I dab into the unboxing of the Redmi Note 5 Pro, I just want to give a shout out to my cousin and of course one of my friends also for getting the phone and letting me do the unboxing. The links will be down below. Do check their channel out about this giveaway. So all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, Twitter and of course Facebook, wherever I post that stuff, and of course write a comment down below why you want the OnePlus 6. For me, I never liked the notch area, so I never I never dabbed into that. So that's the reason I just had to, push that away from my side. Many people will have different annotations. For my sister, she never notices the notch at all because I have made the black bar appear over there, so she doesn't even know the notch is existing. So the next thing which I wanted to do is I want to do a small giveaway of the Note 9, but not this month because I am in a tight budget of space right now, and I basically am in a tight space right now. So that giveaway will be happening on next month on Durga Puja, I think, and I think I'll be attempting to do some vlogs as well. This video, on the other hand, is gonna be a small review video of the Redmi Note 5 Pro and whatever you expect from the phone and what are my initial impressions on the phone. Basically, thank you guys for tuning into this video. I do hope that you guys like it, so let's begin the unboxing. So here we have the Redmi Note 5 Pro box. I'm really excited to unbox this phone. I haven't seen it in the stores right now. So I have the 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gig storage, and I have the black one. Basically, you guys can see the 4 variants over here: the rose gold, the black, the blue, and of course the gold. So here you have the black one. I did turn it on the back because I wanted to show you guys the back panel first of all. And here you have the camera setup and of course the fingerprint scanner. Let's zoom into the camera first. So you have the 12 megapixel, 5 megapixel over on the back, the fingerprint scanner and the MI logo over there. So first impression time, it does feel really premium, and as it's in my hand, I feel really good because it doesn't feel like it's gonna slip off my hand. So I won't be using a case with it. I wouldn't be using a case with it, but that doesn't mean that you guys won't. It basically does not have anything. The camera lens does protrude a little, so be careful on that way because you might pick up some scratches on the camera lens without wanting it. And on this side, you guys get the volume rocker and of course the lock screen button. And this does feel kind of matte blackish, so that is something I really love. So you also have the headphone 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB type 2.8. That is something which I feel very disappointed in, and that is something maybe Redmi will be changing in the later times as well. So over to the screen, you have the 5.99 inches of screen over here, the FHD Plus resolution. You have the 20 megapixel camera on the top, and of course this does look like a brand new and great phone. But I didn't get rid of the button, so let me just power this out and show you guys how it feels as it just boots up. So as it boots up, I really want to make it all fingerprinty, so that's the reason it's all fingerprinty. And this is the initial screen you guys can get, and it really is very fluid as you guys can see. And already I have an update pending on the back. So here I'll just read down the specs once, and here you have it. You can pause the video and see what version of security patch and Android version I'm using. It's using Nougat at the same time, with of course the updates going on. It does have some real interesting updates on the background as well. So here I took some pictures of myself with the portrait blur, and it really looks good. I'm really impressed with it. So that is something I really will test out in the later videos as well. And here I was taking a picture and it didn't overfocus or didn't have any problems at the same time. This was just a regular shot which I took, and here you have basically the portrait blur over here. It really works good with this phone, so that is something I really love. Overall, the video analysis and everything looks really fun and really good. In about this much money, I do recommend you guys should be getting this phone. Here is a picture of the plants that I took, and I really am blown away by the dynamic range. The portrait system of the selfie camera does tend to blur you out a lot, and of course this is me again with the portrait shot. So I do hope that you guys liked the unboxing video. I know that it's gonna be a small one, that's why I didn't dab into that much, because at this point many of you guys have already seen the video. Many of you guys have seen the unboxing already. So there's no chance of, there's no point in putting it again and again over there. So let's talk about the OnePlus 6. So why am I doing this giveaway? I want to thank you guys for being there with me, for supporting me. It's because I want to reach 1,000 subscribers by this year. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and let all your friends, your family members subscribe to my channel, so that I reach the brink point of 1,000 subscribers. I do think that will be easy, because OnePlus 6 giveaway isn't being done right now by someone else you would want to see in my channel. The Note 9 is coming very shortly, and of course hit the bell icon to remain notified, and of course write the comment to the point so that I can read it out. And whenever you're suggesting a friend, let your friend know that you are suggesting that. Let your friend type in your name as well, so that I can understand who is suggesting whom at the same time. And of course follow me on Instagram, because I'll be declaring that results on 7th of October this month, because I think it will give you a full amount of 1 month, and of course my Kittens' diet will be ending on that, so I'll be eating up, and of course I'll be declaring, I'll be much more happier on that. So thank you guys, and of course let's see who wins this phone. So I really need to edit this video quick as possible, because I'll be uploading it today. So Manjeet here, and peace out.